and getting dirty money, Jordan Belfort. Stacking penny stocks while I'm flipping these birds. Sipping on Ciroc, trip 'em up with.
So today, guys, I'm gonna be installing these Baja Design Squadron lights. I do have the caps for them, and these are the brackets for them right here. I'm installing my 2018 F-150.
See, I'm back again, I got class again. Man, I miss my friends, we gon' do it again. It's been a hell of a summer. It's been a hell of a summer.
Here's a little after install. And this is a little bit before. I mean, they're bright, but I mean, not as bright as this. Man, these look good. You get it. There, that looks clean, man. Sheesh. So right now, gonna there it is. A little after install. The camera does not do the justice. Sheesh. Man, they're really bright, huh? For fog lights, I mean, look at the output it puts. Damn. It's pretty dark outside too, I mean.